Okay, so first you fill this up with water, you put it behind here, and you click it when it's locked up, and then put the cup under it, open it up, then you can pull this out, put it in, and you press the button. You have to wait till it's green. Normally it's taking a bit longer, but we already made one, so now it's green already. You close this up, and to ready it, you just put this to the right side. Whenever the cup's almost full, you can turn this to the middle again and it automatically stops. You can put another cup if you want. So.